How many hours do you spend watching videos on YouTube in a day? A lot, right? Well, me too. But do you make any money by watching those videos? I guess the answer is no. Well, in this video, I'm going to share with you an app that will let you make money for just watching the videos. Stay tuned. Okay, so without wasting much of your time, let's go to my computer. Okay, the website I'm about to share with you today is called Cash Pirate. Cash Pirate is a platform that allows you to make money by simply watching videos. Okay, so this is actually something we do on daily basis. We spend a lot of hours watching videos on YouTube, for example, and we don't make any money by doing so. So this platform is actually a game changer because it allows us to make money by doing things we already do on the internet, like watching videos. Okay, so you watch videos on this application, you earn money, or you download apps on this platform, you also make money. So how do you, the way you go about it is, first you need to download the Cash Pirate application on your mobile phone. So you go to Google Play Store and download this application if you have an Android device, or you go to App Store if you use an iOS device. So once you download this application, you simply register and then go through the different offers on this application, and you choose the one any offer you want to take. For example, you can decide to watch videos and make money that way, or you can decide to download applications on your phone. Through this application, you also make money that way. So once you watch any video or download any application on this Cash Pirate app, you earn coins, which are called pirate coins. Okay, and then you can swap these coins for cash. Okay, you can swap these coins for money which can be sent to your PayPal account, or if you are from a country where PayPal is not available, because PayPal is not available in every country of the world. So if you happen to come from a country where PayPal is not available, then you can swap these coins for gift cards. For example, you can swap them for Amazon gift cards, which you can then use to buy anything on Amazon.com, which can be sent to you directly anywhere you are in the world. Or you can swap it for Best Buy gift cards, Walmart gift cards, or Visa gift cards, or even MasterCard gift cards, which you can use on any websites in the world. Okay, or better yet, you can also swap these coins for Bitcoin in gift cards. So a lot of options there for you. You can swap these pirate coins for paper money or for gift cards if you wish. Okay, so this is actually just one way, the first method to make money with Cash Pirate. Okay, that's through watching videos or downloading application. The second method to make money on this application is through referrals. You can decide to refer any of your friends, or if you have, for example, you have a lot of followers on Instagram, or you have friends on Facebook, then you can decide to share your referral code on these social media platforms, and anywhere, anyone, when someone sign up on this platform using your referral code, you get to earn 10% of their earnings. So if any of your friends decide to sign up on Cash Pirate application and start making money with this application, then you earn 10% of their earning. Whatever they make, any amount they make on Cash Pirate, then you earn 10% of their earnings. So it's actually a good way to make money on the internet. If you're looking to start making money on the internet, then this is actually a very good way. Just simply watch videos or download application. These are actually things we do on daily basis on the internet for free. We don't make any money by watching videos on YouTube or download applications from Google Play Store or App Store. But then with this platform, you can make money by doing those things we already do. Okay, so if you want to make some easy money, actually just click the first link in the description below, download the Cash Pirate application and start making money. Okay, so that's Cash Pirate for you guys. Simply click the first link in the description below, download the application and start making money. Subscribe to my channel and also hit the like button. Thank you for watching. I'll see you in the next one.